Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tanika Dion. Guess what came in the mail today? Yep, the Lashybox. So today we're going to be doing the unboxing for the April Lashybox. Yeah, I don't want the video to be too long because it's Saturday and I do have somewhere to go. So I am going to dive right into the box. All right, I've already opened it. Well, not opened it, but cut the seal on it. So, alrighty, looks like this. First thing that comes out is the C liquid eyeliner. Alright, it's like that, and I'm pretty sure it's black because black goes with everyone. Yeah. And next thing in the box is, let's see, these are Zola Lashes in the style Luna. These are 3D silk lashes. Very nice, very nice, very, very nice. Look at that. Yes. And the next one that come out, Lashybox, 3D silk lashes in the style Miami. Yes, yes, yes. And the next ones are 3D silk lashes, and these are Lashybox as well. And this is in the style Angel. Very nice. I love it, love it, love it. These dramatic lashes are my favorite. And next we have another pair of Zola Lashes, 3D silk lashes in Lita. I really like the packaging of these Zola lashes. I like, yeah, they feel very nice. I like the way it feels. How you open them, I don't know. There's a little hole in the back here, but I guess you pull it or open it. I don't know. I'll figure that out in a minute. So anyway, the next thing is, of course, the free glue that they always give. And it looks like there's something else. Oh, Lashybox. Yes, and I believe this is like my makeup eraser to wipe off your makeup. Yeah, this is definitely like a makeup towel. Yep, yep, yep. Just like I use my makeup eraser every night to take off the makeup. I put some cleansing oil, use the makeup eraser to take it off, and then I go on with my cleansing. All right, so today, let's see here. I am going to go ahead and do a little demonstration. Today, I've already got my glue here and my tweezers from last month's Lashybox. Also, I use these tweezers right here that I have on my own. These are actually stamp collecting tweezers, but I love the way that they just mash your lashes and falsies together. I love it. So anyway, so out of the 4 lashes, so again, you get 2 pair of the Lashybox lashes, and one in Angel and one in Miami, which are these 2. This is just a little recap. Very nice. And you also get 2 pair of Zola lashes, one in Luna, one in Lita. Very nice, very nice. And I think I am going to go ahead and go in with these Zola Lashes Luna right here. Look very cute like these ones. I'm gonna go in with these, and yeah. And also I'm going to go ahead and do some eyeliner. Not a big wing, just a little one. I don't want a really big one today. I'm trying to go for a little basic type of look. Not too basic, but yeah. And today I did use the Juvia's Palette Place. I went in with this one, this one, this one, and this one. Oh, and this one. No, I'm sorry. This one, this brown, and this yellow. Yeah, those 4 colors. That's all to come up with this cute little look. You know, very basic. And I also put some of the this color right here on top of my matte lipstick, which is the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. And that is in the color 120 Artist. So yeah, that's what I use today. Alrighty, so again, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this. With these lashes. Oh, matter of fact, sorry. Let me go ahead and figure out how to open these before I And I think that was totally wrong because I pulled this off. I think that was definitely wrong. But anyway, they came out, so that's all that matters. So what I'm going to do is what I always do. I take out my glue a little ahead of time, which I'm sure everybody, which I'm using the glue, the duo glue in white because it dries clear. And then I usually just put it on whatever lid that I'm using. Just a dollop. That's actually a little much because I don't use too much glue. And I let that sit for a few. I let that sit for a few and get tacky before I apply my lashes. Now I already have my mascara and everything else. Anyway, while that's getting tacky, I'm going to go ahead and apply a little small wing line just to see how black this liner is here. So let's go ahead. Got a wand like this. And let's just do something real quick. Oh, that's black. All right, and I just take it just to the where my eyelash ends right there, my inner lash. That's all I do. Other side. Start in the middle. Close to the lash line. Doesn't have to be perfect, you guys. When you're doing this, it does not have to, not when you're doing it this way. Now, other ways you do it, you have to be more precise, but I don't have to be precise today. I'll show you why in a minute. All right, just take that down to where my lash line ends. Take a little bit more, and like I said, it doesn't have to be super straight because you're going to build it up anyway. So you see where it's a little higher there than the rest? I just take and go start from that point and build it up to make it straight. See how easy that was? Now it's completely straight. All right, and then I am going to, I think I'm going to bring this down a little bit more. But it's kind of connecting into my inner or upper lid right there in my eye. Yeah, that's it, baby. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. All right, and let's do the other side. Finish that up. Let's see the thickness on this side and the thickness on this side. They match pretty much, so yeah. Very black. I really love it. Very, very black. Yes, yes, yes. And see, this is real time, people. Ain't no editing. I'm not going to edit anything in this video. I'm just going to do it straight out. That's why I'm trying to do it pretty freaking quick. And then I'm just going to do a little teeny. There you go. I like, you know, nice size wings, but today that's not what I'm going for. I'm just trying to do something nice and simple here. Yup, that is it. That's what I'm looking for. I just wanted that to have a, sorry, for the mirror. Very nice, people. Very nice. Yes, oh yes, oh yes, 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 yes. And I'm taking too much time to talk. Y'all know I'm not a professional, so it's not going to always look pretty in the process, but it works. So there you go. Small little wing on both sides. That's all I need. Oh, I'm talking too much. I forgot my glue is drying. All right, where my lash is. Okay, so we're going in here. Let's get these lashes on. All right, baby. All right. Whoa. Okay, and usually what I do is I just take the end of one of my makeup brushes, dip it in the glue, and just apply it right on there. Just apply it right up on the lash. See? Just apply it right up on there. Right up on there. Okay? And that's about right. All right. And I am going to go ahead and go in with, let me get my mirror here. All right, now let's see if I can get you in any closest. There's a little glare, so I hope you can see from the window. I'm gonna go like this, close my eye just to place that right in the middle there. Get my tweezers. Come on now, don't be embarrassing me on camera. All right. Put that on right there on the edge. Let that thing stick. Put this on this one. Nice and stick. Make sure it's pushed in the middle. These lashes are beautiful. I like them, like them, like them. And guys, don't worry about the white glue. Like I said, it's going to dry. And, you know, pretty much I know everybody knows how to put lashes on, but, you know, there may be a couple people who don't. Then I close them together or push them together. And, yeah. Dang, I hope y'all can see that. God, it got sunny all of a sudden. Jeez. I might have to move. I don't think y'all can see that. Well, I got to apply my other lash anyway because I don't want my glue to get completely dry. So, you guys, if you can't see, I may have to do another lash tutorial, but, you know, come on. Having a hard time here getting them off this. Okay. And let's go ahead and do the same thing before this glue gets too tacky. Where's my stick? Oh, my brush. Let's put some on here. Real time. I should have did it live. Then I would have really shown this is real time, people. Real time. I should actually cut the edge off of this, but I don't really have time because this glue really is getting tacky really too fast. So anyway, all right, let's go ahead and again. Oh, people, the sun. I am so sorry, you guys. So freaking sorry. Darn, it got bright. Okay, sorry, but this glue is going to be dry. So I just close my eyes, stick it right in the middle there. Get my, sorry, go back over to this hand because I'm right-handed. Put this on. Take this edge and make sure it's sticking. There you go. And then I do this side. Sometimes I do the outer first. It just depends on which side. Oh my God, did y'all see that? Came off. Uh-oh, don't do that, don't do that. See, it's not always pretty when you're putting on lashes, y'all, told you. It's not always pretty. Now this slid too much. Don't worry, guys, you can always fix it. See? No problem. There's a little extra glue sitting on my eye that I don't want, but whatever. mean, it's still gonna dry clear, so it's okay. But yeah, see, you be having mishaps. All these beauty gurus don't do everything perfectly all the time. Believe what I tell you. It looks beautiful and glamorous, but it doesn't always look that way. For real. That's real talk. Yes, they're really good at what they do, but they also have mishaps, for real. So, whatever. But anyway, we're talking about me. All right, and so there. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. And then after that, I generally like to take these tweezers, like I said, and just, you know, make sure they really press together. My lashes and the falsies. Push them things together. Very nice. All right, you all. Very, very pretty. All right, I am getting ready to close this window, you guys. One moment. One moment. All right, yeah, that's a lot better. I wish I had did that before I did the lash tutorial, but it's okay. Y'all pretty much saw how it's done, right? So that's okay. Y'all pretty much saw how to apply lashes. So. All right, again, everyone, those are Lola lashes in the style Luna. Luna. See, boom, boom, boom. All right, and that is the end of my Lashybox unboxing / tutorial. Thank you so much for watching today. If you have not subscribed already, please do so by hitting that little subscription button as well as the notification bell so that you never miss an upload. Like the video and comment. Thank you so much. I really, really, really appreciate you.